There we go, that's all gone. So, you're not going to see nothing out there because there's only 5 a.m. There's pitch black out. So, let's wander back around here to the Blue Iguana. Gives you an idea of what they offer. Place to wipe your hands off, sterilize them. As you can see, that hot tub, there it is again. It's not open yet. That's why the net. You hear the water splash around the pool. So you get the seafood shack. I don't know whether that's showing up or not. Fries. Every day they have a different French fry menu. This one is nice. We like this one here. Steam Dream. It's like dumplings and put stuff on them. And the Sizzle, Mad Sizzle. Those places are open later in the afternoon. Street Eats. And again, on this side, you have another, depending on the time of day, juice station or iced tea and lemonade. You don't have to pay for that. Too bad they don't give their... Imagine if they gave their Pepsi away and stuff like that. They'd probably waste so much of it. So this is identical to the port side. On the starboard side, there is a towel station here, so if you do have a couple of beach towels in your room, if you don't bring them with you, you can get a towel here. And that's the red, I think it's the Red Frog Bar over here. Towel station. Let's walk past the Red Frog. Fellows loading things up. Ice. Getting ready for the day. The ship's got a little bit of a roll to it. You can hear the water in the pool. And there's the midship elevators. They will take you up to the next level there, 17, where Guy's burger joint is. There's the Red Frog. And one of the most popular places other than the casino, the Lido Marketplace Buffet. Not going to let me in. There we go. This is nice. I like this hand wash stations. It's a great idea. And here we are. Looks like trying the carpet or something. And here, this is the midship part of it. Now, it is in the aft also. Here, again, if you have a drink plan or whatever, you want to buy some soda pop on your card. Here's your drink, your cold drinks, your coffee, and everything is back there behind the curtain. Why it's closed right now, I haven't a clue. And let's go through here. This is where in the morning you have an omelet station. Probably in your, your breakfast, desserts, your fruit, stuff like that gets set up here. Yogurt, fruit. This is where you're gonna your coffee dressings, your coffee, everything's behind those curtains. I don't know why they're not open. This is where they're going to serve you your hot food. Same over here. Nothing's ready yet. And we're back over on the starboard side, heading towards the aft section. There's your condiments, hot sauce, A1, ketchup. We're back to back here. This is our third week, the end of it. You got your ocean view seating and your stools. And we're almost at the aft. Another hard-working fella. Morning.
Morning.
Another station there for your condiments. Let's wander through here. This is where I usually end up back here, not the middle one. And another cold drink, coffee, tea, at a beer station. Pump your own beer. And they're starting to set up. The food's not out yet. Again, the yogurt, all that. The replica of the other end, omelets. And here too is where you're going to not only do omelets, they'll fry eggs for you there too. Now in the daytime, at lunchtime, this is where you're going to find your shawarmas over here. They're pretty good. They're decent. Your center here will be your gelato and specialty cakes. And over here is this omelet station becomes hot dogs. Yeah, hot dogs. Sea dogs. Dog at sea. And again, here we are. A replica of the other side. Another hand wash station over there. This is where they're going to set up the food. Two sides. Sometimes both sides are identical. Sometimes there's a different selection. And this is where the carving station would be. You know, today should be bacon day, so they'd have a big, I think it's bacon day. Good morning. Another condiment station. Back over on the port side. Let's continue back. A lot of people like it back here. It's coming up. There's the elevators. The aft elevator. We're going to enter through these doors. Same thing on the port side as the starboard side. But another hand wash station. I really do like those. They're a great idea. And guess what this is? This is open for breakfast, lunch, up until 6. Yep, this is Shack. Shaquille O'Neal. Look at this. This is the size of this bugger's hands. Here. Look at that. The guy has massive hands. Well, he's a massive guy. So here you can get your breakfast or your lunch. Again, they're not ready yet. There's their menu for lunch. They do an omelet here too, a cheese omelet. A little secret, okay? So you're really dying for an omelet. And a lot of people must because they line up for them. Morning, how are you doing? And you can grab a cheese omelet back here. This is where they're going to set up the yogurt, chocolate milk. Sort of serve yourself to the yogurt. No coffee station back here, but they do have juice in the morning, iced tea, lemonade, and the rest of the day. Port side, remember that, okay, port side? Shack's Big Chicken. Good chicken. Somebody told me that their neighbor, one of the previous back-to-backs of the cruises we've had, look at that. guys lightening up to the aft of the ship. And the guy told him, the chicken's almost as good as that Holy Chicken place. And the guy says, what do you mean Holy Chicken place? And he says, Chick-fil-A, because they're closed Sundays. It's a Holy Chicken. And I do respect that. That stairs go up to the 17, up to the sports area complex. And of course, there's a bar back here. This is the Tides pool, Tides bar. Oh, that get a little clear. I think that was a little clear. And Carnival used to have 24-hour day ice cream, soft serve ice cream and yogurt. No longer 24 hours a day. But on the starboard side, at the aft, is the ice cream. Swirls. They will have chocolate, vanilla, and chocolate vanilla mixed. On this side, yogurt, frozen yogurt. It'll be usually chocolate and vanilla and mixed. The occasional day will be strawberry and vanilla. So, we're just about done. Deck 16, Lido deck. Let's take a look here. You hear that water swishing back and forth because we got a bit of a roll going. Again, it's netted. And there are 2 hot tubs here. I never noticed that before. They have a clock up there. Okay, again, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure bringing you these tours of the celebration. We're not done yet. I still want to do the sports deck. And we'll conclude it at that, I think. All right. Thanks again, everyone. Thank you.